Hi. Today we'll explain a new method to get verified badge, blue tick, on Instagram in 3 simple steps from mobile. The verified badge activator is extremely user-friendly, which is reflected in its ease of use. The user does not have to complete a registration and the service is very fast and uncomplicated. So anyone can make use of it. If you want to add the blue tick on your Instagram account, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to any browser and type
getfreebadge.com/Instagram.
or click on link in description. Step 2. Enter your Instagram username. Click on Get Badge button to start the verification process. Step 3. Skip anti-spam system. reCAPTCHA is not as effective as it used to be, and more robots are able to solve these CAPTCHAs. Which is why even more effective methods need to be used to prevent robotic spam that violates service policies. Click on Verify Now button. Complete any offer to continue activate verified badge on your account. I will try to complete the first offer. The offer asks us to download and install this game. We are done. Refresh page. And request completed. Account status now. We will come back after 24 hours to see the result. Congratulations! As you see, the Instagram account has been successfully verification, and we have received the blue tick. I hope the method will help you. If you don't succeed the first time, try again.